Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, the enchanting one, and the fairest of all other goddesses, so lovely that no man or god could resist her. Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this Greek goddess makeup inspired by Aphrodite. This video is a collab with my friend Dea, and she'll be doing Artemis inspired makeup, and I will leave her channel link down in the description box, so make sure to check her video out. After doing my eyebrows off camera and priming my eyes, I'm going to go straight ahead into the eyeshadow because this will be messy and I don't want to ruin the base makeup later on. So I'm starting off by applying a light brown shade onto my crease to create a transition color and blend it really well. I'm also going to be applying the same color onto my lower outer corner to balance out the makeup. I'm going to create a very sharp looking eye look, and that's why I'm taking a black eyeshadow and create an angled line using my angled brush. This line will work as the outline guidance for my eyeshadow later on, but if you want an easier step, you can always use a tape as your guideline. Next, I'm going to be taking this very gorgeous gold pressed foil eyeshadow and applying it with my ring finger to all over my eyelids and using my pinky finger to reach out the corner. I found out that finger can pick up this eyeshadow very well compared to the brush, and I'm also going to be putting the color on my inner corner. The black angled line is now covered with gold eyeshadow, and that's why I'm going to retrace it with another black eyeshadow. I'm taking a pointed tip brush and slightly dragging the black eyeshadow onto my eyelids and blending it with the transition color and also the gold eyeshadow, creating a smoky look. I'm not going to overdo this step because we still want the black liner to be visible. I'm taking my angled brush and black eyeshadow and put it on my lower lash line to create a more smoky and dramatic look. This is just an extra step, but I'm lining my upper lash line with another eyeliner. Next, I'm curling up my lashes and put on a few layers of mascara on both my upper and lower lashes to prep them for my falsies. I noticed a lot of fallouts from the eyeshadow, so I'm wiping it all off before putting on my base makeup. I'm adding more gold liquid eyeshadow on my lower lash line to create a dramatic look and to accentuate the gold, which is the main color of this look. Next, I'm gonna put on my falsies and finish all of my face makeup. As for the face makeup, I'm going for a dewy, flawless, and glowing look, so I'm gonna be using a lot of shimmer products on my face. Starting from my base, I'm going to be using a dewy finish foundation cushion from Laneige to create a natural yet flawless and glowing look. This bronzer is from Too Faced and it also has shimmer on it, and I'm going to use it to contour my face. Now my blush is actually a peach highlighter from Wet n Wild that I really love, and it can really give me that really glowing look. And I'm going to finish up the face makeup using a gold highlighter, and I'm going to put it on the highest points of my face. Now here's the fun part. I'm going to create graphics with my gold sparkly eyeliner all over my face, and I'm going to be creating this triangular shape. I really don't know how to describe it, but hopefully you can see it through this video. It is very self-explanatory, and just have fun and be creative with it, as you can basically draw anything you want. Above my eyebrows, I'm going to be adding some more golden accent by creating some X's, but later on I'm going to color them in and add more decorative. And here's for a more close-up look. I'm currently coloring the shape in to make the gold color more reflective and pop. And here I'm also going to be adding some more accent on my inner corner. Now I'm making a triangular shape on my forehead and fill it in with a gold liquid eyeshadow. Actually, the easier way to do this is to put on some temporary gold tattoo because I've been seeing some cute ones, but I'm not up to putting on some temporary tattoo on my face. But if you're up to that, then just go ahead with it. We're not done yet. I'm gonna be gluing some gold reflective decorative all over my face, and there are no rules when it comes to being creative, and I had a lot of fun filming this video because, as you know, I rarely create this kind of makeup, so I really enjoyed being creative this time. So go ahead, add as many decorative as you want, and the thing is, this makeup look is also perfect for any festival. Last but not least is the lips. I'm taking a rose colored lip cream, but I'm only putting it on the center of my lips to add a little bit of color. And next I'm gonna be blending that color in using a gold lip gloss. And as you can see, the rose color underneath creates more dimension onto the lips. Now taking the previous gold eyeliner, I'm going to create a vertical line on the center of my lips, and we are done with the makeup. Now it's time to accessorize and have fun with this look. I really hope that you all love this video as much as I enjoy making it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!